Hi guys, it's been a while since I've done a bike check, so I'm gonna do a new one. Starting from the front, I got ODI long necks, ODI barends, Kink Badger bars, same ones I've had, Primo Aneyerlator stem, Odyssey headset, don't get it, it kinda sucks, shadow forks, I just got new wheels yesterday, so I'm gonna say those. BSD backstreet hubs, front and back. Primo spokes and animal RS rims. And BSD Jersey Barrier hub guard. And a Primo pegs. Still got the Sputnic frame, Sputnic Skyline. And a 20.75 top tube. It's a really good frame. I have a duo seat with a Kink seat post, integrated seat clamp, profile GDH cranks in 175mm, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, profile bottom bracket. I have an Animal Tom Whitewall front tire 2.20. I have an Animal GLH folding 2.25 in the back. Another Primo peg, another BSD Jersey Barrier hub guard with the BSD backstreet hub, and Primo spokes and another Animal RS rim. Then on the other side, I've got profiled spline drive sprocket. It's a good sprocket, I recommend it. Then I have a Shadow Interlock V2 chain. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much my whole bike. It weighs like 22 pounds. It's super sick. And yeah, please subscribe, rate, comment, all that. Thanks. Hey guys, so I'm also going to do a hub sound because a lot of people are going to ask about it. I already know. So yeah, here it is. So yeah, that's pretty much how it sounds like. It's not that loud actually, but yeah, I definitely recommend the hub. Okay, thanks. And this is my bike. My bike, not Nick.